Alright, good evening everyone. So today is Sunday and marks the beginning of another week. So let's get into the pre-market analysis. The first pair on the list is AUD USD. So let's start. So on AUD USD on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here, my monthly lower zone here. And looking at the chart right now, AUD is in a bullish form. We are looking at a bullish market because anytime price taps into this support zone, there's always buying pressure or going to the upside. And anytime price taps into this resistance zone, there's selling pressure coming in all the way to the downside. So right now, price has tapped into this support zone, so we are expecting it to go all the way to the upside. So as you go through the lower time frames, you are going to be looking for buying opportunity on AUD USD. Okay, let's go to the weekly. Okay, so here we are on the weekly time frame on AUD I have my weekly upper zone here, my weekly lower zone here. So from the weekly time frame, like we said on the monthly, we are looking for buying opportunity. And there's not really much to say on AUD from the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily. So here we are on the daily time frame. I have my daily midway zone here, my daily lower zone here. And looking at the market right now, AUDUSD is very strongly bullish. Is strongly bullish. You can see a formation of a morning star here from this daily support zone, which is showing strong buying momentum, and it's pushing the market all the way to the upside. So let's go to the 4 hour and set up for an entry on AUDUSD. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that AUDUSD has broken this daily resistance because previously price was in a bearish form. It was in a bearish form, creating a series of lower lows and lower highs. So where here was a resistance. Here was a resistance. So if here is a resistance and price taps into it, you're supposed to be seeing selling pressure dropping all the way to the downside. But that did not happen. That did not happen. What happened was price broke that resistance and went to the upside. So if price breaks resistance, what we are supposed to be waiting for is a retest before we buy all the way to the upside. So that's exactly what we are going to be doing on AUDUSD. We are going to be waiting for price to come back for a retest at this particular zone. Then we buy on AUDUSD. And if price comes back for the retest, we are not going to buy instantly, but rather we are going to wait for price to give us a candle confirmation. And the candle confirmation can either be a bullish engulfing, a morning star, or a significant pin bar. Any of these candles formation will give us a reason to buy AUDUSD all the way to the upside. So this will be it on AUDUSD, and let's move on to the next pair. So the next pair on the list is US oil. US oil. US oil. So before I start the analysis on US oil, this was the previous pre-market analysis we did on US oil in about June. So we did the analysis. I also set my alert then that anytime price gets there, then we take the buy. And on Wednesday last week, price got into the zone and we took the sell on US oil, and from then it has been dropping massively. We were targeting this particular weekly low here. So if you are in the signal channel, I'm very sure you are also in this trade. And if you watch anal the pre-market analysis on US oil in June, I'm sure you also have got this move. And if you didn't watch it, it's a good idea that you subscribe to the channel right now. Anytime I drop an analysis, you watch it, you can apply the same thing on your chart and wait for the market to come to your zone before you pick your trade. So, and currently the trade we entered is running about 6,000, almost 7,000 pips, and this US oil. So you have to know how massive it is. Almost about 6,000, 600, almost 700 pips. So we are targeting this weekly low. But since we've already taking the trade, let's prepare for a way that we can also enter again. For those who are not able to catch the move, let's analyze the market and see if we can prepare for a re-entry for everyone to take. So this we are starting from the monthly time frame on US oil. So on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here, midway zone here, and my monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame, we know that US oil is in a bearish market. We are looking at a bearish market. So we are going to be looking for selling opportunity on US oil. We are going to be looking for selling opportunity on US oil. We are going to be looking for selling opportunity on US oil. And if you watch closely, since price is in a bearish form, it's creating a series of lower lows and lower high. And this is the formation: a lower low, lower high, an equal low, and high, a lower high, an equal low again, a lower high. Then we saw a break of this zone, because this the mid of this support zone. This was a previous support zone, a very strong one that anytime price gets there, it goes to the outside. But price was able to break it finally, and then price then went for a retest. So after the retest, you could see that price is dropping to the upside. And another thing to watch out is that when price got to the zone, we are seeing a very nice bearish engulfing formation here. Even though the month hasn't ended yet, but the market is giving us a very nice bearish engulfing. So that is also one reason to look for more selling opportunity on US oil. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see how we can get. So here on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone here, my weekly lower zone here. My weekly lower zone is here. So from the weekly time frame also, we are looking at a very nice selling pressure. And if you watch after the retest, you could see a very nice evening star and another beautiful bearish engulfing, us telling us that price is really going to sell. We have seen a lot of confirmation, a lot of reason to sell US oil. So let's go to the daily time frame. So here on the daily time frame, I have my daily midway zone here, my daily lower zone here. So from the daily time frame, you can see that price has also broken the daily support, which was a very strong support zone here. And since price has broken the support, we need or we must get a retest. After the retest, then we can sell US oil. So I think that is how we are going to be picking the trade on US oil. We are going to be waiting for the daily retest, the retest to the daily zone. After that, then we wait for candle confirmation and pick a sell on US oil and pick a sell on US oil. So with that being said, let's go to the 4 hour and prepare for that particular entry. So this, yeah, this is it. This is how we are going to pick the entry. We are going to wait for price to come back for a retest, a candle confirmation, then we sell US oil all the way to the downside. All the way to the downside. So the entry will probably come in from here. I'll stop loss above, then I'll take profit below. So this will be a very nice setup on US oil. On US oil. So that's it on US oil. Let's move on to the next pair. So the next pair will probably be GBP chef. GBP chef. So let's move on. Let's start from the monthly time frame. On GBP chef, that's GBPCHF, GBP chef. I have my monthly upper zone here, my monthly midway zone here, and my monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame, we are looking at a very strong bullish market. The overall trend is bearish, but right now we are trading the technicals. We are doing technical analysis. So looking at the charts right now, we are looking at a bullish market because of this monthly support zone, monthly lower zone. Anytime price gets to this support, you can see the buying pressure coming in all the way into the monthly midway zone. So you can say from the monthly midway zone also, anytime price taps into it, the selling pressure comes in. The selling pressure comes in. So you can say on the monthly time frame between the monthly uppers, monthly lower zone and the monthly midway zone, there is a consolidation market ongoing there. So since price has tapped into the monthly lower zone, we are going to be looking for buying opportunity from here all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside. So let's go to the weekly, and that is nice, nice. So here on the weekly, I have a weekly upper zone here. So since we know that price is moving to the upside on GBP share from the monthly, and also on the weekly, we are seeing a very beautiful morning star, a very beautiful morning star telling us that yeah, price is really going to the upside. So we are going to be looking for bullish opportunities, buying opportunities. So let's go to the daily time frame. So here we are on the daily time frame, and I have my daily midway zone here. My daily midway zone here. And from the daily time frame, price is still moving to the upside. And even after price got to our zone, it gave us a very beautiful bullish engulfing here, showing us that yeah, there's now buying pressure to push price to the upside. So let's go to the 4 hour and see how we prepare for an entry on GBP shares. Okay, so on the 4 hour, I have my 4 hour upper zone here, midway zone here, and my 4 hour lower zone here. So on the 4 hour time frame, you see that there is a resistance. There is a very strong resistance here. Very strong resistance here. And price was consolidating between that resistance and the resistance below. And finally price was able to break out of it. So after the break, we have to get a retest with a candle confirmation before we buy all the way to the upside on GBP share. So that's exactly how we are going to be picking the entry on GBP share. We are going to wait for price to come back for a retest, wait for a candle confirmation over here, then we buy all the way to the upside on GBP share. on GBPCHF. So that's it on GBPCHF. Let's move on to the next pair. So the next pair on the list is uh, Euro USD. Euro USD. And if you watch the previous analysis on Euro USD, we were looking for buying opportunities from this weekly zone, from this weekly demand zone, and we got it and took we no, it wasn't here. We were looking for the buy from this zone, and then we got it. We took the buy on Euro USD, and it's still running. But I can see another possible entry for another buy on Euro USD. So let's move on. Let's analyze the market and see how we are going to be taking that buy. So let's start from the monthly time frame. Okay, so from the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here, monthly midway zone, and my monthly lower zone. So from the monthly time frame, we are looking at a bullish market. We are looking at a bullish market because previously price was consolidating between the monthly lower zone and the monthly midway zone until price finally broke it a couple of months back. Price broke the monthly ranging market. It broke it to the upside. So we are looking at a bullish market from the monthly time frame, and the breakout actually happened here couple of months back. So we are still looking at a bullish market on Euro USD. So let's go to the weekly time frame. We are going to be looking for buying opportunities on Euro USD, buying opportunities only. So on the weekly time frame on Euro USD, I have my weekly upper zone here, my weekly lower zone here. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that price is still moving to the upside. Price is still moving to the upside, creating a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So after higher low, we are seeing a new higher high incoming. So since that hasn't happened yet, let's capitalize on the opportunities to create the new higher high. So let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I have my daily upper zone here, my daily lower midway zone here, my daily upper zone here, my daily midway zone here. So from the daily time frame, you see that price is still moving to the upside. Price is still moving to the upside, and it has broken this beautiful resistance here, this nice resistance here. Price has broken it. So since price has broken this resistance, you know that price is definitely going to the upside. So since price is going to the upside, let's go to the 4 hour and see how we prepare for an entry on Euro USD. And that this is exactly how we are going to prepare for an entry. Since price broke this resistance zone and started going to the upside, we are going to be looking for selling opportunities. Sorry, we are going to be looking for buying opportunities from this resistance all the way to the upside. So what you are going to do is you are going to wait for price to come back for a retest. After the retest, we wait for a candle confirmation, then we buy Euro USD all the way to the upside. We buy Euro USD all the way to the upside on a candle confirmation. So that's it on today's. That's it on Euro USD. And let's look at the last pair on the list, the last pair on the list. Okay, EURUSD is actually the last pair on the list. So if you haven't joined the free signal channel, the link will be in the description. You can click on it and join the free signal channel where we drop high quality swing and slash swing and day trading signals for free. We drop it for everyone in the group for free. You don't have to pay anyone for signals. Just join this group and enjoy signals for free. So we are also hosting a free beginner's guide into the forex market. So if you are a beginner or you are already into trading but you you are not profitable yet, you are still learning a lot from the market. You are profitable but you are not consistently profitable. You can also join our mentorship program and learn. But if you are not, you are already you already have some knowledge about the market but not you don't know much about the market, you can also join our free signal channel and learn forex trading for free. That's if you have no idea. But if you have some knowledge about the market, you are already trading into the trading, you can join the mentorship program and also learn advanced trading strategies and more about the market and also become a consistent profitable trader. If you are also a beginner, you want to get into the market or you have no idea about the forex market, you've heard of it but you don't know how it is, you can also join our free beginners class which we are hosting on WhatsApp. The link will be in the description. So and just join and learn forex trading for from the beginner stage for free. You join and you learn for free. So the class will be starting soon. The class will be starting soon. So if you are watching this video right now, you still have enough time to join and learn. You still have enough time to join and learn. So that'll be it on today's pre-market analysis. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to this channel so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be one of the few people to receive a notification and watch it. And that's it on today's pre-market analysis. And peace. I'm out.